Hello guys, welcome back to Java series. In this video, we are going to see about what is operators, uh, why to use operators in Java or in programming languages. If you want to manipulate your data and then perform some mathematical calculation or compare your values, the operators provide plays major role in this manipulation of data, perform mathematical calculations. Like if you want to add two numbers, sum equal to 100 plus 200, the arithmetic operators, the plus symbol is placed in the are used to manipulate your data. Like if you want to print it, compile the program. 1 minute, I'll check it's recording. Yeah, it's recording. And then run your program. You got 300. The operators is useful to manipulate your data, and then it has so many categories like arithmetic operators, compare, assignment, comparison, logical, and like that. In arithmetic operators, there are some operators like what is arithmetic operators. Multiplying. For addition, we use plus symbol. For subtraction, this minus. For multiplication, for division, we use slash symbol. For modulus, it's known as remainder. C is percentage symbol, and then increment, decrement. Yeah, these are the arithmetic operators. We are going to implement this in program. Like I declare on the two variables into x equal to 10 into y equal to 2. If you want to add this, use the plus symbol to add your data. Like then multiplication minus stop autofill. Minus y, then string dot multiplication for you. Minus for remainder, we are going to use modulus. Yeah. I'm going to compile this program. Yeah. For addition, 10 plus 2 equal to 12. Then subtraction, 10 minus 2 equal to 8. 12, 8. This one is 20. This provides 5. And then this provides 0. Like another two operators are in arithmetic operators, increment and decrement. And this is divided into two types. One is pre-increment and decrement, and pre-decrement. Another one is post-decrement, post-increment and post-decrement. If I print S out x plus plus, it's an increment. It's a post-increment. Post-increment. If you print this, it shows output like 10, but increment, but it shows 10. See, that's it. Yeah, it shows 10 because first print the values and then increment the values, current value. So it first print the 10 and then increment. And if you want to see output as 11, you want to store it. X plus plus, then X. Yeah, you see 11. Like about pre-increment, it prints, you think it prints 11, but it does not print 11, it prints 12 because you first increment the value in x the value is 11. First increment the value and then prints the value. So top operator Java. Yeah. It's a post increment, pre increment, and then post decrement, minus minus, and then decrement. Yeah, you see the result as 12 because it first print the value and then decrement the value. If you print after this line, take that. Yeah, you got the output 11. It's a post increment, sorry, post decrement, then pre decrement. The post decrement, sorry, pre decrement. If you print the value, it shows value like 10. Yeah, it's a pre decrement. Pre decrement means it first manipulate the value and then print, Post decrement means first print the value and then manipulate the data. These are about the arithmetic operations. Then like we then move on to assignment operator. Yeah, just comment this. Wait. Wait for a minute, guys. Sorry for the disturbance. Yeah, I'm back. Just comment these lines to see about the assignment operators. Assignment operators. If you assign, if I initialize int x equal to, I only declare the value as int variable, and I want to initialize some value like x equal to 10. I'm using x equal to operator 10. And then if I print this, it shows 10. And then I want to then other operators. I first tell about what are the assignment operators. Int, slash int modulo int, sorry, modulo equal to, and then yeah, that's all. Then it have bitwise operators. In later video I discuss about the bitwise operator. You just only need to know about the assignment operators for basic. This is the short form for if I initialize int x equal to x plus 10. This is the short form to initialize this line. It's equal to, you can also write like this, x plus equal to 10. Yeah, it's add current x plus 10. It's add current x plus 10. Like also for the minus also, subtraction also. Like also for a multiplication. It's the short form. Then modulo. Yeah. That's all about the assignment operators. Then we move on to Comparison operators. Comparison operators. Just these all are about uh, arithmetic and assignment operators, and then we are going to comparison operator. Comparison operator. Comparison operators also equal to it compare one variable with another variable, like other variables, like also more than one. It compares other variables are not equal to. This operator is greater than operator minus lesser than, and then greater than equal to, and then lesser than or equal to. These are the comparison operator, and then I will provide one example to demonstrate the comparison operator. Like in age equal to 18. I want to print if age greater than or equal to 18. Greater than equal to greater than or equal greater than 18, they are eligible for get the license. And then if they are 18, they need to wait for 1 year to get the license. Like that, I'm going to write one program. Age greater than or equal to 18, greater than. Yes, so eligible for to get license. Else if later videos we see about the if else and the if else also. First of all, know about what is comparison. So I use if else if operators, sorry, functions. These if else are the condition statements. In later videos we also discuss about the condition statements also. In this video, just to know about what is comparison operators. Then age equal to 18. Just print wait 1 year to get the license. Let's see. Greater than age is lesser than or 18, so not eligible. Print not eligible. Less than 18. I just cover 3 operators. Then remaining operators are greater than. I cover greater than, lesser than, equal to, not equal to. Let's see. In Indian government, above 60 age is not permitted to get the license. So I use not equal to for that. Age not equal to 65. Yes, so applicable. Not equal to, greater than or equal to, yeah. Cover it. Then else, check the greater, use the greater than equal to symbol. If age greater than 18, greater than equal to 18, eligible, need to wait, but need to confirm the age verification. Use the logical operators also. Age lesser than or equal. Shows false. Just a minute. Yeah, you can also use the greater than or equal to symbol, lesser than or equal to symbol. Job, operator, job. Yeah. It's come to this block and print the weight 1 year. Like if I change the value to 20, yeah, I am eligible for to get the license. These all are about comparison operators. Then we move on to logical operators. Logical operators are for, can also test it for true or false values with the logical operators. Like x equal to 10 and y equal to 20. If the both value greater than 5, I want to print it is true. What can I do? I use the AND operator. So AND operator, I'm going to use AND operator. AND operator. It means if the both AND operator means if the both value is true, it returns true. If one value is false, it returns false. If two values is false, it also return false. I print, if I type x greater than 5 and y greater than 5, yes, out, prints store it in boolean. Yeah, it's print true. If I change greater than y greater than 10, not for y, 10 also. This condition is false because x and the check value is 10. x equal it gives false, I think, because we did not use the greater than or equal to logic, greater than or equal to symbol, so it gives false comparison operator. Yeah, just compare. Yeah, if this is false, this flag did not run, so I just print else. So false. If this conditions gives false, the if flag is did not run, and then else flag will run. Yeah, it gives false. Then and operator is over. Okay, or operator. Or operator means if both values true, it returns true. Both values true. Yeah, just use commands to explain. True, true gives true. True, false, it returns true. False, true, it returns true. False, false, it returns false. Like if this boolean, boolean true equal to x greater than I check x less than 5 or not, or y equal to 20. If I check this part gives true, so the total statement is equal to true, so it prints yes it's true equal to true. I print this, it returns true. If I change this one to not equal to 20 and then change to greater than or equal to, it also returns true. Yeah, if I print x less than 5 and then y not equal to 20, the both statements are false, so it returns false. Yeah, return false. Then logical not, it reverse logical not means logical not, it reverse the statement, it reverse the result. Check this, this both the values are false, and then I use it in if block. If I use not, this is logical not, this block gives false. If the if I mention I mention logical not, it change the false to true. Right? Check the answer. So true. Logical not. If I just compile and run it, see what it says. Yeah, it prints the logic. It prints the logical not, because these two values provides false, and then logical symbol make it as true. It reverse the result. If I make it true equal to 20 and greater than equal to 5, what did I'm doing, like I make the statement as true, so and then the logical not change the true statement to false, so the if block is not run, it will not run. Yeah, will not run. So these are about the logical operator, and then we move on to precedence. Precedence are not only, just know about what are the precedence. Like tells about the order of operations from high priority to low priority. Parentheses have high priority, and then multiplication, division, modulo, and then third highest priority is addition and subtraction, and then the logical operation less than, greater than, sorry, less than and greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. And then logical and logical or lastly assignment. These are about precedence. If you want example, so result equal to 10 minus 2 plus 5. If you did not add the parentheses, subtraction and additions are same priority levels. So so it use the rule like go from left to right. It first 10 minus 2, then plus 5 is done. If you use parentheses like 10 1 equal to, the parentheses have higher priority, so first it add the numbers 2 plus 5 7 equal to 2 plus 5 equal to 7, and then 10 minus 7 take 3. Yeah, these are about the parentheses, and then yeah, it's all about the operators. In later video we will discuss about the bitwise operators.